You are going to love the 2021 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, power sunroof. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.